even the vaccinated one.
Hey, Dr. Lindsey and Wendy. This is an 8-month follow-up on a mid-30s repair case. And this fellow had this result, which isn't much result.
Yeah, it looks.
After a procedure done by somebody else. And so he came in and he actually had never had his tuft worked on before. So we did the whole front, and here he's at the end of the case. And then he came in at 8 months and did this little video. So Steve, you just walked in today, and we repaired your case that was done at some national chain, don't say their name, in the past. And you're at 8 months. Remember, I just finished telling you it on your redo, guys. It takes probably 15 or 16 months before it's really finished. But at 8 months, you look pretty good.
Yeah, I'm happy with it.
And I'll have a picture of your head, your before, up to the side of what we're talking about now. Was that pretty upfront with you?
Yes, totally.
Bend over one time, please. And so at some point, we might have to deal with that crown. And then would you spin around and face the blue wall? And this is you with, what length haircut do you typically have?
I mean, I guess like this is kind of like typical what I have right now.
So that's me being in your head once and somebody else being in it once. And you got real white skin. Anybody ever see that scar?
No.
Okay. And you can spin back around. I don't have your face. Anything you think people ought to know that are looking at this video?
Yeah, I mean, it's been a great process, and I've really liked working with Dr. Lindsey, and I just would say, it does take a while, which is, at the end of the day, you want good results. That's the important thing. So I'm very happy with it so far.
All right, man. I'd like to see you again in about 8 months.
Sounds good.
So at 8 months, you were just saying it's only half grown, right?
Yeah, it is half grown only.
So I would expect him to, and for repair guys, it takes 15 or 16 months. So I would guess at 16 months, he should look really quite good.
Yeah.
And he's local, so I imagine we'll see him.
We'll see him. Yep.
What do you want to add to this?
Now I want to ask you, because like people watch one video and sometimes they watch it. So why does it take 16 months for a repair case to grow?
Because it's just like planting trees. When you're planting trees in virgin soil or flowers, and it's that topsoil you buy from Merrifields, everything grows in it very quickly. And then once you've mucked around on that once or twice, and the dog's peed on it, and somebody's made some scar tissue, it takes longer for things to grow because the soil is not as nutritious. Yes.
Well, nutritious.
Either way. That's why. And this probably has to do with blood vessel ingrowth is slow. What else?
No, that's all I wanted to know.
So we do lots of repair cases. Most years we do most of our cases are repair cases, but this COVID, I think people have done more research, and so we didn't do many repair cases last year. He was one of only 15 or 20 that we did.
Yeah.
If we can help you, give us a call. Thanks.